Jim from Hockley has a question about window replacement.
Well, he has aluminum double pane windows in a single-story home in Hockley, right? So Jim writes, there are 23 windows total, and I won't buy anything, he says, until I talk to Gulf Coast Windows. But I want to know what to expect with window replacement in a stucco home. He says, will the stucco have to be cut back and repaired? I'm concerned how it'll affect the stonework. He sent a picture of it here so you can see. He's worried about what's going to happen to all this detail around it if they do that with the stucco. Okay.
Usually you don't have to take the stucco out. They'll just remove the windows. Aluminum windows, the first thing they do is they remove the glass because that is the window, especially these big ones you just showed me. So the glass comes out, then you just have a thin aluminum frame that collapses onto the inside and it just rips right out of the opening, and the stucco should stay intact. Now maybe a little bit of chipping here and there, but they can patch that and paint it and it's not a big deal. But then the new windows will go in from the outside to the inside, and that's how it's going to work, and it's going to be that's why you want someone experienced.
Yeah.
Because it's not as difficult as you would think unless you've never done it before. That's why Gulf Coast Windows, of course, has done many of them, so don't worry about it. Just do it if you need to do it.
And he's looking specifically at those composite windows, Tom.
I think it's a great window. Absolutely.
All right, you want a great answer? Send us a question. Doesn't have to be a great question. We'll just make it a super answer. How's that? We'll kind of change the impedance on it or something. Send it to us using the Ask Tom form.
Impedance?
I don't know. Resistance, the capacitance, I don't know. Send it to us at HomeShowRadio.com using that Ask Tom form, and we'll answer it, just like these videos over here. And while you're watching those videos, help us out and subscribe to our channel, would you? We appreciate it.